Okay, angle of elevation and depression really has nothing to do with this problem. You're told that the legs of a right triangle are such that one leg is twice the other one and that the perimeter is 28. Find the length of all three sides. Okay, so to do that, we need to find the length of the hypotenuse because perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So we need to use the Pythagorean theorem right here to find an algebraic expression for the length of the hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, Pythagorean theorem. This leg squared is 4x squared, plus x squared is 5x squared. Take the square root of both sides. Normally we would say plus or minus, but we're dealing with side lengths here, so we'll not bother with the negative value for c. And now with that information, we can write the equation that allows us to solve for x. One leg plus the second leg plus the hypotenuse equals 28. So all these terms on the left side contain the letter x, but we can't combine the 3x and the x radical 5. So we'll factor out an x, which leaves us times the quantity 3 plus radical 5. Divide both sides by 3 plus the square root of 5. There's a possible value for x right there, 28 over 3 plus the square root of 5. Or we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So if we do that, we get 28 times 3, the quantity 3 minus the square root of 5. And this product right here results in a difference of squares. 3 squared minus the square root of 5 squared. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 goes into 28. There's the value for x right there. So 2x is twice that. And x times the square root of 5 is just introducing a square root of 5 after the 7. So there's your three answers right there. How do you check that? Well, if I distribute this 7 here for x, 21 minus 7 radical 5, 2x is twice that, of course. And x radical 5 times, or radical 5 times x, if I distribute this 7 radical 5 that I introduced right here, I'll get 21 radical 5 positive from this first multiplication, and 7 radical 5 times negative radical 5 is negative 35. Looks like all the terms with radical 5 combined to 0, and 63 minus 35, 28. So those are the answers. Of course, you could get decimal approximations for these answers, but these are exact values. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, feel free to comment.